Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I have a baby box from Target. This was just released on Monday and I just got it today on Thursday, so it shipped super quickly. With the Target boxes, sometimes they range in price. They might be $7 or $10, but they always tell you what's inside so you know if you want to buy it, and they always come with a coupon. This one is for 10 off 50 of a baby purchase. And I already took a peek online of all the items and I felt like this was a pretty good box, and I think it was $7, so. It's either 5 or 7. Now I'm second guessing myself. I'll put it below. But it's free shipping, and then you do have to pay tax, but it's pretty much taken care of if you have a red card, because you save your 5% with that. So the first thing I got is a NUK, or NUK. I call them NUKs. I don't know if that's correct or not, but it's just a little pacifier. We never really use these with my son because I didn't want him to be addicted to it, but my daughter really loves them, and you can never find them when you need them, even though we have a million of them, so glad to have that. We also have from Earth's Best, this is whole grain oatmeal cereal. She just turned 4 months and she has a doctor appointment today, and I think she's going to be able to start trying food, so that's exciting. Then we also have Method Body Citrus Ginger Sea Buckthorn Energy Boosting Body Wash. Let's see what this smells like. It smells pretty good. I am sick. I don't know if you can tell from my voice, so it's hard for me to smell it, but it does smell a little citrusy. Also have Baby Bum. This is fragrance free and it is SPF 50. Perfect for my little diaper bag or to throw in my purse just in case we get outside. And then we have Dove Baby Dove rather, tip to toe wash. These are really popular in the baby boxes. I have tons of these. And so is this. This is the Vino Baby Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Then we have some gripe water. Relieves occasional stomach discomfort from gas, colic, fussiness, and hiccups. That actually might come in handy. Oh, and this was a little container for this. Looks like there's a coupon inside. Yeah, $3 off. So if you open that, there's a little coupon in there. So that's neat. And then last but not least, we have water wipes. I have tried these before, and I know that they're pretty popular, and I do like them. So, again, nice little sizes for your diaper bag to use on the go. So that's what I got. If you guys are interested, they might still be available. I'll make sure I link everything below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.